Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting piece of news for you. Honor has quietly launched the Honor X9b, the successor to the X9a. We're here to give you a sneak peek into the improvements and features of this impressive smartphone. The Honor X9b comes with a slew of upgrades that enhance both its visual appeal and overall durability. Let's take a deeper look. First off, the Honor X9b flaunts a larger and more captivating 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display. With a high resolution of 1200 x 2652 pixels, you can expect stunning visuals with sharp details. The icing on the cake is the smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations, making your visual experience truly delightful. In addition to its visual prowess, the Honor X9b also prioritizes your eye protection. The phone is equipped with 5-fold eye protection technology, which combines features like 1920 Hz PWM dimming and a hardware-level low blue light display. This clever combination ensures a comfortable viewing experience, even in low light conditions. Dynamic dimming and circadian night display mode further enhance eye comfort and help improve your sleep quality. But that's not all the Honor X9b has to offer in terms of durability. The phone features 360-degree whole device protection, thanks to its Ultra Bounce anti-drop display technology. This means that accidental drops are less likely to result in a shattered screen. The phone's frame and internal components are also reinforced, making it sturdy and capable of withstanding the rigors of everyday use. Moving on to the camera setup, the Honor X9b doesn't disappoint. It is equipped with a high-resolution rear camera system, ensuring that you capture moments in stunning detail. With the improved camera capabilities, you can take breathtaking photos and videos that truly stand out. Another notable improvement in the Honor X9b is its battery. The phone is powered by a larger battery that offers extended usage time. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or tackling your daily tasks, you can rely on the Honor X9b to keep up with your demands. Overall, the Honor X9b marries top-notch performance with durability. Its larger display, enhanced camera setup, bigger battery, and robust build make it an appealing choice for individuals who demand both power and longevity from their smartphones. We hope you enjoyed our initial dive into the Honor X9b. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews and hands-on experiences with this device. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech updates. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts on the Honor X9b in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.